Okay. So the basic point here is if somehow if you can know that this and this the ratio is L is to M, this is L and sorry, this is M and this is L. Similarly, this is M is to N and this is to this L is to N. Basically, L is proportional to this, M is proportional to this kind of thing. M is to this, N is to this, L is to this, and N is to this. We can even tell this is to this is how much, or this is to this is how much, or this is to this is how much. Apply section formula for these two, will get this point. Then apply section formula for these two, will get this point. Now, as P changes, you take a triangle. This point P I can take here, 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 here. I can take anywhere. As P changes, all these numbers will change and accordingly your formula will change. Okay. This is our fundamental formula. Okay. Please understand whatever is the that means this number L somehow connected to this. Number M here is connected to this. Number N here is connected to this. Now we are going to derive formula for centroid. Centroid we already know, but still we will do it. Orthocenter and circumcenter and incenter based on this formula. If I take orthocenter, you take a triangle ABC and draw the three altitudes. This is AL and you can call AD also, not a problem. AD and BE and CF and this is P. Okay. Yes, it's okay. I also started. Okay, now I want to know what is AF is to FB. Okay. So last class we have seen this in two different ways. When we take this height as h, this is a. I think this length is what h by tan a. Yes, it is cf by tan a is to cf by tan b. So it will be tan b is to tan a. Okay. So this length is proportional to tan b and this is proportional to tan a. All right. We can write same thing another way also. I think this is a small b, this is a, so this can be written as b cos a. I think cos we cannot avoid it. But I can write sin a by cos a, I will get b cos it, so we will leave it. Okay, fine. In the same way, I can write BD is to DC. BD is to DC is going to come tan C is to tan B. And in the same way, CE is to EA will be tan A is to tan C. Okay. So here P is orthocenter. Okay. Now directly I can write OP bar is equal to tan A into OA bar because that LMN which are earlier, now L is tan A, M is tan B and N is tan C. Tan A into OA bar, tan B into OB bar plus tan C into OC bar by tan A plus tan B plus tan C. Okay. Another way of saying the same thing in a physics point of view. If you want center of mass to be at orthocenter, you have to put a mass of tan A here, mass of tan B here, mass of tan C, then center of mass will lie here. Is this okay? No. So this formula will come in three places basically for you. One is in vectors right now, another one is in coordinate geometry itself. The x coordinate of this is tan A into x coordinate of this, tan B into x coordinate of this, tan C into x coordinate of this by tan A plus tan B plus tan C. In complex numbers also you will have similar formula in second year. Okay, I have to do similar thing in circumcenter. Alright, already completed this? No. Okay. So I may not need the figure of circumcenter, I think. That means circumcircle. It's okay. There's a circle, center is somewhere here. There's a triangle ABC. I have to join this to circumcenter and extend it. This is D, this is E, and this is F, and this is circumcenter S. If I want to find circumcenter formula this way, I have to know what is AF is to FB. Okay, anyone want to give some idea about AF is to FB? I know this is capital R, this is capital R, this is 2A, this total, but I don't know this separately, this separately. Anybody want to give an idea based on properties of triangle or something? What is AF is to FB in terms of sine or cos or tan or small a or small b something? No, it changes. I think it's not a median or something. I think it is A cos A is to B cos B. Let us see how. You can see this, if the figure is proper, this is R and this R, so this should be an isosceles triangle, and we know this total is 2A. So this should be 90 minus A, this also should be, sorry, 90 minus C and 90 minus C. All of you agree that this is C, so this total is 2C, but these two are equal means these two angles should be equal, it should be 90 minus C, 90 minus C. Is that okay? Similarly, this total is B means this is 2B, so this should be 90 minus B, 90 minus B. So this should be 90 minus B, this is 90 minus B. This is A, this is 2A, so this should be 90 minus A, this should be also 90 minus A. Now, I think AF is to FB, I can tell ratio of area of this triangle is to this triangle. I can use sine rule and do in different ways, but I just want to write like this. AF is to FB is area of triangle ACF is to area of triangle BCF. Why? I think ACF triangle and BCF triangle have same height, isn't it? Okay. So the ratio of the areas will be proportional to the ratio of their bases. Okay. But I am going to find this area as half into this side into sine of angle between them. So half into AC into CF into sine 90 minus B. This one is half into CF is to CB into sine 90 minus A. In that CF will cancel, half also will cancel, AC is small b. So I am getting basically B cos B is to A cos A. It can also be written as sine 2B is to sine 2A also. Sine 2B is to sine 2A. Because these two are sine B, these 2 are sine A, cancel R, we will get sine 2B is to sine 2A. I am sure sine 2B is to sine 2A also can be found in some other way also. Okay. So this length is proportional to B cos B or sin 2B. This length is proportional to A cos A or sin 2A. I am sure similarly we can tell now, after this I should write, let me write here, BD is to DC. Anybody want to tell what is BD is to DC will come? Quite similar to this or quite similar to this. Yeah. C cos C is to B cos B or sin 2C is to sin 2. This is proportional to C and this is proportional to B, like that. Similarly, you can also write C is to E. Okay, is A cos A is to C cos C or sin 2A is to sin 2C. Once you get this is to this, this is to this, this is to this, we have a standard formula. Now I can write, I am arranging this down part. Anybody needs more time? OS bar is directly A cos A into OA bar, B cos B into OB bar, C cos C into OC bar by A cos A plus B cos B plus C cos C. Same thing can be written as sin 2A into OA bar sin 2B into OB bar and sin 2C into OC bar by sin 2A plus sin 2B plus sin 2C. A few people missed the previous class or somehow you could not follow what I am telling today. Don't worry, okay. These are only specific part of vectors, okay. I said from the beginning I will derive everything. This is not the whole vector algebra, this is a small part of it.